You're 2 months old this week. Yeah. 3 days. Sorry. This week on Friday you're going to be 9 weeks, but right now you're 8 weeks old. And it's Wednesday. You like your guys? Look at those. Look at you stretching. Look at you. Yeah, what's that? What's that? Look at those guys. Hi. Hi. What you doing? Wow. What you doing? Wow. You having a nice stretch? Wow. There's Bruce over there. Hi, Bruce. Hi, Bruce. Here's your buddy, Bruce. Hi, Bruce. How's it going? How's it going? Hi. Hi, buddy. Hey, buddy.